Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize WordPress for website performance, beginner guide step by step clearly. To optimize WordPress for website performance, start with choosing a reliable hosting provider. Select a host that specializes in WordPress and offers speed-focused features. Next, install an efficient theme that is lightweight and designed for performance. Avoid themes packed with unnecessary features which can slow down your site. Once your theme is set, install essential plugins wisely. Limit the number of plugins to only those you truly need. Each additional plugin can slow down your website, so choose carefully. After that, optimize your images to ensure they load quickly. Use image compression tools to decrease file sizes without sacrificing quality. Consider using formats like WebP for better compression and performance. The next step is to implement caching to improve loading times. Install a caching plugin that suits your needs, such as WP Super Cache or W3 Total Cache. Configure the caching settings to enable page caching and browser caching. Another crucial step is to use a content delivery network, or CDN. A CDN helps distribute your content globally, reducing latency and load times. Now, take a moment to minimize CSS and JavaScript files. Use optimization plugins that can combine and minify these files. This reduces the number of HTTP requests and decreases file size. Next, enable gzip compression on your server. This compresses your website files before sending them to browsers, speeding up content delivery. Monitor your site performance with tools like Google PageSpeed Insights or Jeepmetrics. These tools provide actionable insights on what needs improvement. Make sure to keep your WordPress, themes, and plugins updated regularly. Updates often contain performance improvements and security patches. Lastly, regularly clean up your WordPress database. Remove unnecessary post revisions, spam comments, and unused tables. By following these steps, you can effectively enhance your WordPress website performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.